Hi everyone, welcome to Glitch Guru. In today's video, we'll show you what to do if the snipping tool is not recording the screen and showing this recording stopped error on your Windows 11 PC. To fix this, open the Windows search menu. Here, type Snipping Tool in the search box. Now, right-click on the first result that appears. Then, select App Settings. In the Settings window that opens, make sure this microphone toggle is turned on. Now, click this drop-down menu and select Always to allow the app to run in the background. After that, scroll down to the Reset section and click the Reset button. Then, hit Reset to confirm. Now, try using the snipping tool again. If the issue remains, open the search menu again. This time type Graphics Settings in the search box. Then, hit Enter. Here, use this drop-down menu to select Microsoft Store app. Then, click the Browse button. In this menu, scroll down to find Snipping Tool and click on it. Once Snipping Tool is added to this list, click on it again. Then, click on Options. Here, select High Performance and hit Save. After this, Snipping Tool should work as expected. If the issue remains, you can try scanning your system files as last resort. For that, right-click on the Start icon. Then, select Terminal Admin from the list. In this window, type this command and hit Enter. Wait for this command to run and then restart your PC. Once you do this, Snipping Tool should start working again. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe.